In this guide, I walk you through the steps to fix sounds removal on TikTok due to copyright restrictions. Let's dive right in. If you encounter the sounds removed due to copyright restrictions notification on TikTok, there are two simple steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Switch to a business account. Open TikTok and navigate to the settings by clicking on the icon at the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, and then go to the Account section. Click on Switch to Business Account and choose Category. Skip the optional steps and you'll all set. This completes the first step. Step 2. Object sounds setting for your video. Go back to the main screen and click on the plus icon to import the video affected by sound removal. Select the video and proceed to the editing dashboard. Look for the Add Sound button and choose the sound from the available options. Update the volume levels by increasing the original sounds and decreasing the edited sounds. Click Done once you've adjusted the sound levels. Proceed to post the video by clicking Next. By following the steps, you will effectively fix the sound removal issue on TikTok. You'll notice that the video with adjusted sound levels will not trigger the notifications for sound removal due to copyright restrictions. By implementing these simple steps, you can ensure that your TikTok videos comply with copyright policy while maintaining the quality of your content. That is it. You've successfully resolved the sound removal issue on TikTok in just a few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips. Thanks you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.